Show you the camera. Okay, let's just take off this sticker, protective sticker. Okay guys, this is the watch that I've been waiting for. So I waited for about a week for this to arrive. And this is actually the vintage Casio model number A168WA1. So let's have a look at what's inside. Okay, so we have a bubble wrap all around the box. Okay, so the box is intact. So it's all intact. Good. So this is the invoice. Okay, the price is about 98 ringgit, which is in USD that will be 21 USD. Okay, so let's open it. Let's put this aside so that we have a clearer picture. Right, so of course, firstly we have the warranty certificate as usual. This is the warranty certificate, and that is the dealer. And this one is the thank you card from the shop. Wow, and again we have stickers here, G-Shock stickers. Okay, so this is the watch itself. Here no more, but I think we have the manual watch manual at the back here. Usually they keep it here. Okay, so this is the manual, and the module number for this watch is 3298. You have all kind of languages in here. We have English and so on and so forth. Right, this is the usual one, and this is the international warranty card. Okay, so we put that aside, and let's have a look at the watch itself. So this is the A168WA1WTF, which is the vintage Casio. I think it's the there's quite a number of versions for this one. You have the gold one, the green one, and I think this one here is the original one. Okay, let's have a look at that. Okay, this is the watch. Just show you the camera. Okay, let's just take off this sticker, protective sticker, so that we can have a look at a clear picture of the watch face. Look at that. And I think this is the most original of all the other version, because this is, I think, the one that introduced in the 70s, the model that was introduced in the 70s. Look at that. You have a closer look at that. Okay, the other side over here. You have one button over here, and I think that is for the start and stop. And this is water resistance for 30 meters, I believe. And it have electroluminescence light. So over here, look at that. It's all light blue. and this one here is for the mode. Okay, so this is just the unboxing. So probably I will have to create another video for the full review of this watch. And however, let's take off this tag first. It's been entangled here and there. Okay, so at last we have removed it. I think the case size is about 36.3. Case size from here to here, 36.3, and the lug to lug I believe is about 38.6. Lug to lug here, and then the thickness itself is there. It's not that well. It's a bit thicker than the other watch that I have. This one over here is A700. Just compare it. So this the A168 is a bit thicker. The thickness is about 9.6 millimeter, and I believe, I'm not very sure, but I believe the lug size is about 18 millimeter. Okay. Well, this is quite. It's a vintage watch, a watch that I really want to have, and I'll create another video for this. So my wrist size is actually tiny, just 6.5 inches. So let's see how it's look on my tiny wrist. So I haven't sized the bracelet yet, so it will take it will take time to size it, but I'll definitely size it during my full review later on. It's really cool watch. Okay, so I'll create another video for the full review, and thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now, and see you again in the next one.